This for the bookings. This for the dispatch, inbound, outbound. Then we have the delivery. So this is the customized software that can also be
Okay.
used. So this can also help you to get your, you run your sheets of reports. What happens on your warehouse? You can add some modules there. You can add new truck details here, right? And so there can also be pickup request, and timely can come here to track it. For instance, the truck has a docket or channel number. So we just put maybe and see if it actually exists. So we have to enter the valid docket, the channel number. That's on the back end. We do that. So this just for you to see how it's happening. Total orders, then return orders, delivered orders, daily booking charts. This is where timely can come, monthly, weekly, depending on how you export your goods. So this can also come out.
Okay.
Yes, I just have to show you this.
This is much better.
All right. So you have the tracking ship routes as well too. So once we include the direction, the number, we can find it there. So we have the bookings, so we can list bookings. So we can add record, maybe previous record, maybe from your Excel, it can be imported. So that can come there. Or we start a fresh bookings. Now the bookings comes with the details of the customers and the sender details, the email, the receiver details, delivery address, city locations. This can come up, right?
But in this one, we can do customizing.
Yes, we can customize it. We add it, then we customize it for you. So you can
Okay.
weigh your goods in kilograms. That's the commodity. You can add other, we can put another weight. Maybe those ones are in an LB, right? And some are in maybe by length. That's a meter. And
No,
the likes. Are you
not
getting
length
this?
of meter because this email ID for that one is no need. Like a sender is same our sender only, but we need like
So
some quantity basis what item and escort name, driver name, phone numbers, which
it can
trucks
be
is
added.
coming. That
It can be added.
okay,
It can be
okay.
added. See, service location and ops. So we can add the service location too. So this is the service location, the select region. This cannot be at the back end, that you don't even need to keep adding again. Already we have the number of the driver. So the number drivers comes here. The number of driver comes here. Your receiver too. They have the details of the driver that is going to be, delivering it or thereabouts. So that helps you to understand the flow of your pickup or for your exporting. So I just showed you. So we can customize it too, based on as requests come. Maybe you want to improve it, we can customize it too for you to see.
Okay,
You
no
get this
problem.
point.
This logistics management, can I get any template or PDF or something to show my people?
Okay, we can come back there, so I will do a record of that. You can just come back